How to change Instagram language. On this process, firstly you will have to open the Instagram app on your device. So simply open the app, and now from here you will have to go with your profile section. It will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you will have to move with the options three line which will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So tap on it, and now from here you'll have to all the way scroll down and find the options language. So it will be under your app and media section. So simply find the section language. So simply tap on the language section, and now from here you can easily find your desired language whom you want to change on Instagram app. So you can search it from in the search field, or you can as usual choose it from here. So this is the easiest and simplest method to change your Instagram language. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.